challenging, kind of high intensity yoga class, while still giving you the mind-body benefits of yoga itself. So TRX yoga class at Off-Road is going to be a combination of standing postures, deeper stretches, and as class goes on and we build the class, it will also start to bring in more challenging postures like headstands and inversions using the support of these awesome straps. So the beauty of these straps when applied to the yoga practice is that they can help you both modify when a pose is too challenging and help you kind of kick it up a notch and take it to a more intense variation as you build your strength and endurance in this practice. The straps are really helpful for alignment, and luckily there's some mirrors in this room that you can also take a peek at yourself as you're going about the practice, and the straps will help support you, keeping your spine nice and long. One of the ways that yoga can become more challenging is by using these straps. So using the TRX straps, you're going to build a lot more core strength. You're basically going to defy gravity at times, and these straps are going to support you, but then also allow you to tap into your deep inner core strength in order to get into inversions in a different way. At times, they'll make your practice easier. At times, they'll make it a lot more challenging, and that's really a unique part of this practice.